How to fix VPN connection drops on Windows. Here are practical steps you can take to fix VPN connection drops on Windows. Frequent VPN disconnects usually stem from network issues, software conflicts, or misconfigurations, and the fixes below address the most common causes. Basic troubleshooting. 1. Check your internet. Make sure your regular internet connection is stable before connecting the VPN. If your base connection drops, the VPN will too. 2. Restart and update. Restart your PC and router. Update Windows to the latest version. Settings rightward arrow Windows update. Asterisk ensure your VPN app is up to date. Many updates fix stability bugs. Fixes in the VPN app. Switch VPN protocols. Different protocols behave differently on various networks. Try alternatives like WireGuard, OpenVPN, TCP/UDP, or IKF2 depending on your VPN. This can drastically improve stability if one protocol is prone to drops. 4. Change to a closer/less busy server. Connect to a geographically closer server. Or one with lower reported load. Overloaded servers can cause disconnects. 5. Enable auto reconnect and kill switch. Turn on auto reconnect so the VPN attempts to reconnect automatically after a drop. Kill switch stops all internet traffic if the VPN drops, preventing leaks while troubleshooting. Windows and network settings. 6. Disable IPv6. Some VPNs don't support IPv6 well. Disable it on your network adapter. 1. Open control panel rightward arrow network and internet rightward arrow network connections. 2. Right-click your active adapter rightward arrow properties. 3. Uncheck internet protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. 4. Reboot and reconnect. Surfshark customer support. 4. 7. Adjust power and network adapter settings. On laptops, Windows may power down network adapters. 1. Open device manager. 2. Expand network adapters. 3. Right-click your Wi-Fi/Ethernet adapter rightward arrow properties. 4. Go to Power Management tab rightward arrow uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Also, turn off battery saver / power optimization during VPN use. 8. Check firewall / antivirus. Security software might interrupt VPN traffic. Add your VPN app to exclusion / allow list in your firewall and antivirus settings. 9. Reset Windows network settings. If settings are corrupted, 1. Go to settings, rightward arrow, network and internet. 2. Scroll down and click network reset. 3. Reboot and retry. Advanced troubleshooting. Change DNS servers. Using public DNS, like Google DNS, 8.8.8.8/8.8.4.4, can sometimes help stability. 11. Update network drivers. Outdated drivers, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or VPN tap / WireGuard drivers, can cause drops. Update them via Device Manager. 12. Router / ISP issues. Try a different network, mobile hotspot, to check if your ISP / router blocks VPN traffic. When using Windows built-in VPN client, Windows built-in VPN may have quirks, especially with IKEv2, that can cause disconnects over time. Consider using your VPN provider's dedicated app instead, which typically handles reconnects better.